This is an easy installation. Check this out. Alright, man. That's an easy performance right there. Bolt on it on. This is for the new Ecoboost 3.5 liter motor. It's gonna give this thing some serious horsepower. It's gonna help with the turbo lag. This thing should spool up pretty good. This is real horsepower. So this truck is set Delta Boost module, Delta Force colder intake, and the Flowmaster exhaust. This thing's gonna make some serious power. I close my installation. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.